nightmare. I was you. Popcorn ceiling. A mattress on the floor. A checking account with 2 digits in it. Listen here. You broke. If I woke up tomorrow with your life, I'd be back in my helicopter in 90 days. Today I show you exactly how. You're welcome, peasant. Day 1. I don't cry. I don't post about my feelings. I count every dollar I have left, and I cancel every single subscription like I'm strangling them personally. Streaming, delivery, the gym you never visit, dead, all of it. Rice, eggs, beans, that's the food budget now. Broke people eat like kings and wonder why they stay peasants. I eat like a peasant so I can go back to being a king. Day 2. I sell the only asset I have left, effort. Any job, 2 jobs. You're not above flipping burgers, you're below a paycheck. Ego is a luxury item, and you can't afford luxury items right now, dumbass. First $1,000 goes to an emergency fund. Not to a meme coin, not to a PS5. 1,000. Because the next emergency is what keeps broke people broke forever. Then I set the machine. Every payday, money moves before I touch it. Automatic. 10% minimum into a boring index fund. I don't trust myself, and I sure as hell don't trust you. 90 days of this. No excuses. No days off. No crying. Month 3. Emergency fund done. Income up. Investing automatic. Still broke? Sure, but broke with a system. And the system always wins. And then it compounds. This is the part you don't get. I didn't need luck. I needed 90 days and a brain. You have the days. We're still checking on the brain. The playbook is free. It's below. It's 3 steps. Cut the waste. Sell your effort. Automate the machine. Do it or don't. I'm rich either way. Now go apply this before you stay broke forever.